initiative that is designed to support the health and well-being of mothers, infants, and their families within the underserved population. Perinatal and postnatal health services aimed at improving access to care and support to individuals experiencing high-risk pregnancy, which will comprise of maternal outreach nurse or a midwife and a cultural doula. And this team will be traveling to various community locations to deliver in-person maternal health services. The services will be prioritized for racialized, low-income, uninsured, and street-involved populations. Competent and tailored breastfeeding support for Black and racialized mothers and their families as well. And for this clinic, this focus would be based on breastfeeding education initiative and continuation, while also empowering the families to make informed decisions about infant breastfeeding that respects and affirms their cultural beliefs and also their traditions. So basically, this program is going to be delivered within the community. And the beauty of it is that we're meeting the people where they're at.
Ferrara, I am the Child Development Specialist here at Kingston Urban Corps.
So my name is Nsikan Jackson. I'm the Black Health Cultural Breastfeeding Support Worker.
I have a parenting program as well as a Ubuntu Mothers group, and both of
The main purpose of this program is to bring maternal care to the marginalized and Black community, because they face a lot of systematic barriers when it comes to accessing healthcare, and maternal health is a very sensitive area. So this is just a way to bring that care to them, to meet them where they are. And it also encompasses a lot of things like the Cultural Breastfeeding Clinic, which honors a woman's culture when it comes to breastfeeding.
I'm supporting mothers and caregivers, more of a support group to reduce social isolation within those communities. And then we also have an early connections program. So the early caregivers and so before they reach school age, and it's more for interaction for the children so that they can socialize before they go off to school. It's a free drop-in program, which is great because a lot of the times with babies, you never know if they're going to be sick. Try and keep it as low barrier as possible in that regard. So it's just a drop-in program. And then it's good for the mothers too. So reducing social isolation in communities where they may not have a lot of support. So trying to give them an opportunity to meet other parents.
It's open to anybody, like women or even caregivers, their partners. Also, the health and the breastfeeding is for pregnant women that just want to know more about maternal health, or they want to meet new mothers or meet other people. Yeah, so anyone is open to join the program.
Make everyone feel comfortable from the moment they come into the building. That's a big part of what we're trying to do, that they always feel supported, that there's always someone that could be there if they need someone to talk to. So that's kind of our biggest thing, that there's no barriers, that it's just open to everyone and our smiling faces.
I think a lot of people are more open to talking to somebody when they feel like you understand me, you look like me, you get what I'm saying. So this type of program helps it's a way of cultural sensitivity. So we both come from similar backgrounds, and when I talk to you, you're able to see me not just as my problem, my culture, my background, and you would be able to understand me better, to give me solutions, or just listen to me. Yeah.
And a lot of times I think it's feeling validated. So we're here to make sure that what you're feeling, it's valid, and we want to make sure that you feel that as well. And then We talk about what it's like coming to Canada and the differences, and recognizing that all of those things are valid, they are true, and how can we go about making you feel comfortable.
For the parenting together, you can we have like a flyer. You can scan the QR code, or just the reception know you'd like to sign up for the parenting together at the Ubuntu support group. The early connections is a drop-in program every Friday 10 to 11:30, so you could just come in anytime. For the Obodo Maternal Care and the breastfeeding support, and just come in and just let them know this is what you're here for, and they will be happy to see you.
My name is Gabrielle Mayfiadi.
My name is Elizabeth.
Well, I have a lot of services that I do here at Hamilton Overcore, and one of the people that I see who's working with my family told me about the program. So she thought that it would be a good fit for me, seeing as I'm a parent, and there's always issues that you have to deal with. So
I was having some issues, like taking care of two kids. Like one she's 2 years old, my baby just newborn, and she's like all over him. So I get sometimes frustrated. Like,
it's good so far. As much as I've been a mom for a long time, I'm still learning new things, and because I'm dealing with my own struggles, it's also helping me with what I'm dealing with, giving me some insight, new skills to learn.
They have shown me how to like try to control myself, like how to talk to my daughter more, like how to play more with her so that she doesn't bother as much of his brother. And
because every child is different, so it's definitely helping me to be a better parent. Well, so like for instance, we've talked about the different types of parenting there are, and so you kind of get to look at yourself to see where you fit in, to see if you need to maybe change up some things that you've done, or maybe keep going with some of the things that you're doing. So we learned about that, and just learning about like our values and stuff like that, and finding out that I mean, I've done parenting programs in the past, and I've always seen them as something beneficial. People think, oh, parenting, I'm a parent, I already know what to do, but it's not even necessarily about knowing what to do, but just seeing how other parents parent kind of helps us look at ourselves, and maybe it may benefit us in some way.
Because they're really nice. They're really nice people. They actually help you with their kids too. Now talking about like what they also give you, like they give you support. They give you snacks for them too, and they're happy. They show them how to play with other kids. And it's fun for them, actually. It's fun for them, and it helps also the parents get a little more relaxed, having to take off your hands away from the kids. So yeah,
I think there's always something to learn in life. I think regardless of how you may see yourself, there's always something to learn. So I think it will benefit whether you're a seasoned parent, new parent, whatever. I think it definitely will benefit. If anyone's seeing this and they need help with parenting, or just for something to do to escape life in that sense and meet some parents and kind of connect, I think it's a great opportunity to come out and check it out.
Recommend this to other parents for them to come and have a better place to stay and bring their kids to know other kids.